Okay, guys, go ahead and put your name at the top of your math packet. Then you're going to go down here to the bottom, and we're going to work on addition number sentences today. We're actually going to be working on adding 0. So if I add a number, if I have a number 4 and I add 0, guess what? The number is still 4 because 0 means nothing, okay? So we got to think when we add anything with 0, we're going to still have the same amount, okay? All right. So it says 7 people bought a glass of lemonade in the afternoon. 0 people bought a glass of lemonade in the evening. How many glasses of lemonade were sold in all? So we have 7 plus 0. So we're going to go ahead and write a 7 on the line plus 0 equals, guess what? 7. Because did we add anything to 7? Nope, because 0 equals nothing. All right, go ahead and open up your packet to see and show. All right, we're going to start right here with a blue domino at number 1. Okay, it says 0 plus 8. Okay, so if I have 0 and I'm adding 8, how many do I have? I still only have 8. Go ahead and write an 8 on that line. All right, now I'm at the green domino, number 2. It says 5 plus 0 equals, so if I have 5 and I'm adding nothing to 5, I still have 5. And as we can see with the domino, there are no dots on this side, right? So the total number is still 5. All right, I'm now at the yellow domino, number 3. 1 plus 0 equals, so if I have 1 and I'm adding nothing to it, I still only have 1. Write a 1 on the line. I'm at the purple domino, number 4. It says 0 plus 3, so I only have 3 dots. So how many do I have? Still 3, because 0 equals nothing. Okay, go ahead and flip your packet like a pancake. All right, on this section, you were going to do this on your own, okay? All right, so number 5, 7 plus 0, right here, 7 plus 0. What would that equal? Okay, number 6, 6 plus 0, what would that equal? Okay, number 7 says 3 plus 1. Be careful of this one, it's a little tricky in here. Number 8 says 8 plus 0. Write your numbers on the line, write your answers. Number 9 says 3 plus 0. Number 10 says 2 plus 3. Another tricky one, pay attention. And number 11 says 0 plus 9. Number 12 is 0 plus 5. Number 13 is 1 plus 3. Another tricky one, huh? Number 14 says 0 plus 2. And number 15 says 4 plus 2. So go ahead, you need to finish all of those. Even though I didn't write anything, I want you to do this part on your own. And these are easy, you can do it, you just got to pay attention. If you need to for any reason, go ahead and get the counters out of your cubby. All right, we are now at the back of the packet, not your homework side, but the back of your packet, okay? Number 16 says Jackson has 4 canoe paddles. Ian has 0 paddles. How many paddles do they have in all? So we're adding 4 plus 0. So how many do we have? 4. We're going to write a number 4 on the line because we know we only have 4 paddles. Okay. Now I'm at number 17. Grayson ate 2 hot dogs. His friends ate 4 hot dogs, okay? How many hot dogs did they eat together? So we're going to draw a picture. We're going to draw 2 circles, and then we're going to draw 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we count, we're going to mark them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hot dogs all together, okay? All right, we're going to come down here to the bottom. You know what you need to do on this part. You're going to draw an X. Once you have all of that done, bring it up to me. I will check your packet, and you'll put it in your mailbox. That's it.